Well, it was important to meet with the Human Rights Consortium because myself, when I was Equality and Human Rights spokesperson, and now Bronwyn is continuing on that work, we wanted to discuss with them what we were all doing collectively on the very important issue, the outstanding issue of a Bill of Rights. A Bill of Rights that is contained within the Good Friday Agreement. Section 3 of the Good Friday Agreement obliges the British government and the Irish government to establish, in the terms of the British government, a Bill of Rights that would act as a practical tool to help us all, help citizens here in the North, to make sure that they're able to challenge public bodies, public authorities, our ministers, and to give us a framework within which contentious issues could be addressed. We have been working very closely with a number of groups and organisations, all of whom agree that we need an instrument that is going to protect us from the kind of violations of human rights that we've had in the past. So it acts in a way as a kind of insurance against repeating the wrongs of the past, halting the wrongs that we're currently experiencing, and preventing further wrongs in the future. And we need to right the wrongs. But primarily, when one looks at all of the contentious issues that we're dealing with at the moment, a Bill of Rights provides that framework. I want to commend the work of the Consortium. They have been working for a number of years to try to highlight this issue, and Bronwyn has met them on a number of occasions and will continue to meet with them next year, as will myself and others. And we hope that people realise that the work that we are doing will eventually, even though it's 15 years after the Good Friday Agreement, that it will lead to the kind of human rights protections that you need in the North and in the South. Our parties submitted to the Constitutional Review Group in the 26 counties, to that group, its document on the obligations that the Irish government had to establish constitutional protections, and it, again, like the British government, has not implemented that part of the Good Friday Agreement. So both the British government and the Irish government have collective responsibility to move this forward, and what we are doing is putting the onus and the emphasis on both of the governments to stand up to the plate and to deliver what they committed to the people across the 32 counties of Ireland that they would deliver in the context of a framework for the Good Friday Agreement.